Okay, now it's time to install PFSense. First thing is obviously insert your PFSense CD into your PFSense PC. We're going to boot it up, and then we're going to let the magic begin. Okay, we're booting up to PFSense. Depending on the speed of your PC and your CD-ROM, this could be slow or fast. Okay, we have the Welcome to PFSense screen. Let's select number 1. Also, a little bar down here spinning. Let you know it's doing some work. Okay, got some action here. This is ADA 0 is my hard drive. CD 0 is your CD-ROM drive. Okay. Almost there. Be patient. Okay, here we are. Welcome to PFSense 2.2.5. Just going to do a few more items here. Okay, here we go. Press R for recovery mode, or press I to launch. Which one? We're going to press I. Okay, we have launched the installer, and we should get a DOS-based GUI, graphical user interface, called Incursus right here in just one moment. While we wait, if we had pressed C, continues with live CD, boot up without. Oh, the C option allows you to temporarily install the firewall without writing on the hard drive. But you don't necessarily want that, because if you reboot, all your settings will be gone. Okay, here we are. Configure console. You have 4 choices here. We want the 4th one. Accept these settings. All right, guess which one we want. Quick and easy install. All right, here's a warning. Are you sure? Basically, you're about to erase your hard drive. Hopefully, you don't have any important resumes or information that you don't want lost, because it's about to go. All right, here we go. Now, this step may take a little long depending on your hardware, and also I notice sometimes it gets not stuck but kind of rests at around 38% for a while. So I may pause the video and pick it back up once it's done. But let's see. We're at 25%, 30. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. 36. Maybe it's 36 where it waits. 38%. Now, oftentimes it'll sit here for a while. We'll give it a few seconds, and if it sits here, we will pick it back up at the end. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back. All right. One more step here. We want to take the standard kernel. This option is if you have an embedded device that doesn't have a VGA port. So let's take standard kernel. Okay, a little more thinking. All right, let's reboot. Let's take notice here. When we reboot here, you see it tells you what the address is going to be. Default username, admin, default password, PFSense. PFSense is now rebooting. And we will see you at the next lecture.